Connecting Google Sheets to Looker Studio is extremely easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So right here, we have our Google Sheets, we have our campaigns, we have our metrics, we have everything that we want to show, and now we just want to put it into Looker Studio. So we'll go to Looker Studio, and in here we just select Add Data, then select Google Sheets, and we'll select Just Testing for this spreadsheet because that's the one that we're selecting. If you're putting in multiple, you'll have a lot of different ones here to choose from, but right now we just have Just Testing, and we'll click that. We'll select Add, and from here we have our data source is now connected, and so now all we have to do is we can click on any of our graphs or charts that we want to change our data source. We'll change that, and now Just Testing is now added, and so now we are able to see our campaigns pulling in all of the metrics that we are seeing from our Google Sheets tab. And so we can do that also with any of the charts, any of the graphs. Just change that source to Just Testing, and if one of the metrics change, we just change that metric to impressions or conversions, clicks, whichever one, and it continues to populate with whatever your Google Sheet has on it. And so that's how you import and connect Google Sheets to Looker Studio. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.